Jim Cramer is a force of nature in the financial world. Known for his booming voice, boundless energy, and unconventional on-screen antics, he has become a household name synonymous with investing. As the host of CNBC's Mad Money, Cramer has spent nearly 2 decades educating and entertaining millions with his unique brand of financial advice. His ability to distill complex financial concepts into digestible sound bites has made him a trusted source of information for anyone looking to navigate the often turbulent waters of the market. But Cramer is more than just a TV personality. He is a seasoned investor with a long and successful track record. From his early days as a hedge fund manager to his current role as a financial media icon, we will examine the key insights that have shaped his investment philosophy and made him one of the most influential voices in finance today. Before we continue, if you like this video, please remember to share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then watch some more of our videos. Jim Cramer's path to financial success was anything but conventional. After graduating from Harvard Law School, he embarked on a career in law, working as a litigator for a prestigious firm. However, his passion for the markets soon led him to Wall Street, where he landed a job as a stockbroker at Goldman Sachs. Cramer's natural talent for investing quickly became apparent. In 1987, he left Goldman to launch his own hedge fund, Cramer & Company. His deep understanding of the market, coupled with his relentless work ethic and willingness to take calculated risks, allowed him to generate impressive returns for his investors. For over a decade, Cramer & Company consistently outperformed the market, cementing Cramer's reputation as a top-tier investor. His investment style was characterized by a focus on fundamentals, a disciplined approach to risk management, and a long-term perspective. In the late 1990s, during the dot-com boom, Jim Cramer embarked on a new venture that solidified his status as a financial visionary. With Martin Peretz, he co-founded TheStreet.com, a financial news website for individual investors. TheStreet.com was revolutionary. Cramer saw the internet's power to democratize information, empowering individual investors. The website quickly gained a loyal following with its market commentary and stock analysis. Cramer's distinctive voice and no-nonsense approach resonated widely. The website's success paved the way for his CNBC show Mad Money. At the heart of Jim Cramer's investment philosophy lies a set of core principles that have guided his decisions throughout his career. Diversification. Cramer is a firm believer in the power of diversification. He stresses the importance of not putting all your eggs in one basket. Instead, he advocates for spreading your investments across different asset classes, sectors, and geographies to mitigate risk and enhance potential returns. Thorough research. Cramer emphasizes the importance of conducting thorough research before investing in any stock. He encourages investors to delve into a company's financials, understand its business model, and assess its growth prospects. Risk management. Cramer recognizes that investing inherently involves risk. He stresses the importance of managing risk by setting realistic investment goals, diversifying your portfolio, and using stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Section 5. Anecdotes from the trading desk. Cramer's winning picks. Jim Cramer's career is filled with successful stock picks, earning him a reputation as a shrewd investor. Amazon, ticker symbol AMZ. Cramer was an early believer in Amazon's potential, recognizing its disruptive business model. Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Cramer has long been bullish on Apple, citing its innovative products and strong brand. Netflix, ticker symbol NFLX. Cramer identified Netflix as a leader in streaming video. He recommended Netflix even when it was considered risky. These are just a few examples of Jim Cramer's successful stock picks. Section 6. Mad Money for the Masses. Practical advice for everyday investors. One of Jim Cramer's greatest contributions to the world of finance has been his ability to make investing accessible and understandable to the average person. Through his CNBC show Mad Money, his books, and his website TheStreet.com, he has empowered millions of people to take control of their financial futures by providing them with practical advice, actionable insights, and a healthy dose of entertainment. Cramer's advice to everyday investors is rooted in the same core principles that have guided his own investment decisions: diversification, research, and risk management. He encourages viewers to do their homework, understand the companies they are investing in, and avoid making emotional decisions based on fear or greed. He also stresses the importance of having a long-term perspective, reminding viewers that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. His entertaining and engaging style has made learning about investing less intimidating and more accessible to millions of people. Section 7. The Cramer Effect: Moving Markets and Shaping Opinions. Jim Cramer's influence on the financial markets is undeniable. His pronouncements on stocks, bonds, and the economy are closely watched by investors of all levels, and his recommendations can have a significant impact on stock prices, particularly in the short term. The Cramer effect, as it has come to be known, refers to the phenomenon of stock prices moving sharply in the hours and days following a positive or negative mention on Mad Money. While Cramer himself acknowledges that his show is just one of many factors that can influence stock prices, there is no denying that his recommendations carry weight with a large and active investor base. His commentary on the broader market and the economy is also closely followed by investors and can shape market sentiment. While Cramer's influence on the markets is undeniable, it is important to note that he is not always right. Like any investor, he has made his share of bad calls, and his recommendations should not be taken as gospel. Section 8. Beyond the Soundbites: The Enduring Value of Cramer's Insights. Jim Cramer's critics often accuse him of being too entertaining, too loud, and too focused on short-term market moves. While there is some validity to these criticisms, they fail to capture the full scope of Cramer's contributions to the world of finance. Beyond the soundbites and the on-screen antics lies a deep well of investment knowledge and a genuine desire to educate and empower investors of all levels. Cramer's emphasis on diversification, research, and risk management are timeless investment principles that have served investors well for generations. His entertaining and engaging style has demystified the world of finance for millions of people, encouraging them to take control of their financial futures and participate in the markets. Section 9. Conclusion: Jim Cramer, a financial force to be reckoned with. Jim Cramer is a complex and often contradictory figure. He is a brilliant investor, a successful entrepreneur, a gifted communicator, and a polarizing media personality. Whether you agree with his investment advice, appreciate his entertaining style, or simply marvel at his boundless energy, there is no denying Jim Cramer's impact on the world of finance. He has democratized access to financial information, empowered millions of investors, and shaped the way we think about and talk about money. He is a true original, a force of nature, and a financial force to be reckoned with. If you liked this video, please share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and watch more of our great videos. Thanks for watching.